Hello, everyone. You're here with Joy Sistrunk and Gina Young of Centric Business Solutions. And we just wanted to kind of have a conversation with you today around tax planning and some things that you need to think about for the end of the year. So I'm Joy Sistrunk of Premier Group. We are a CPA firm that does audits, accounting, and taxes. And I'm here with the amazing Gina Young of Centric. Gina, you want to introduce yourself to the people?
Yes, thank you so much, Joy. Hello, everybody. This is Gina Young, as Joy mentioned, with Centric Business Solutions, and we do everything from bookkeeping to accounting to tax prep, tax planning. Joy and I work very closely together, and so we are so excited to be here to share some things with you as we look to the end of the year, which we are actually in the end of the year now.
I mean, today we're actually recording this on Saturday, December 2nd. So there are literally just 29 days left, physical days
Yes.
left until the end of the year. So if we're just talking, if you're still trying to think about strategies, we're kind of here to talk about what some of them may be. And I think the first one, Gina, you want to give them the first one?
Yeah, so the first one is, and we're just going to go over just a few, not to overwhelm you. The first one that Joy and I want to talk with you about is maximizing business expenses. We know that we have a lot of clients who are business owners, and we want you to think about that, not just at the end of the year, throughout the year, of course. And that's a part of the strategy sessions that we have with our clients. However, now that we are in December, think about some of those things that you may need for your business that can help actually reduce your numbers just a little bit in terms of the bottom line. So we always want our businesses to generate profit. That's just why we go into business. We want to generate profit. But there are some things that you can certainly use in your business, whether it's a new laptop or whether it's new supplies or whatever it is. Just think about those things.
Yeah, and I would just add also think about this is a good time to start thinking about things that you may have put on your personal cards that are actually business expenses because oftentimes we're moving fast and we're so busy that we may have things that are actually attached to us as business owners personally that we need to capture as business expenses. And then there are other strategies, of course, that we can employ to maximize business expenses, such as employing your children. A lot of people don't think about that, but those aren't things that we would suggest you do on your own. That's
Right.
why we kind of want to talk it through with you. It's always best to reach out to a professional. So I think the second thing that we want to talk about, a way to maximize, is maximizing all of your retirement benefits, whether that is a 401k if you are an employee of the business, or a self-employed health, a self-employed plan, or an IRA. Any of those things, we want to max them out, contribute to them, and make sure that we are using them as much as possible, because we don't want to just think of the business today, but we want to think about your future as the business owner as well.
Absolutely. I totally agree with that. I just had someone ask me a question about that this week. And it is so critically important. And also for the folks who are listening, to make sure that not only scheduling your tax planning calls with your accountants or your tax preparers, but also make it a practice to schedule meetings and calls with your financial planners so
Yes.
that they can help kind of guide you in the right direction in terms of year end. What are the rules? What can you do? How can you max those different plans out? So, something to think about as well.
No, I love that. That's great. And I think our third strategy is charitable contributions. I know both Gina and I love charities. We love giving, and
Yes.
we always are looking to help others. And as business owners, I know that you are as well. So we want to, as much as possible, maximize your business charitable giving and your personal charitable giving. It's a great time to go clean your closet out while things are a little bit slower and give things away, as well as look to see, if you are going to have a profit, which charities do you want to support now?
Absolutely. No, I totally agree with that. As Joy mentioned, we love giving back to the community and to the underserved. Giving Tuesday was just on the 28th of November. So a lot of people take advantage of Giving Tuesday as well as giving throughout the year. But now that we're at the end of the year, keep in mind that in order for you to get credit for 2023, you must receive a donation letter that indicates that your contribution was
Mm,
made no later than December 31st. So it's critically important whether you're giving clothes away or, cash contributions. You just want to make sure you get those in no later than the 31st of December so you can get credit for the 2023 tax year.
No, that was a great idea because when we ask you, you can give us as your CPA, as your accountant, your tax accountant, any number you want. But if the IRS comes in, you do have to have that supporting documentation. So those given letters are very, very important. So we just wanted to kind of hop in and give you some quick tips. This is a great time to be scheduling your strategy sessions. Again, there are only 29 days left in the year, and the time is growing shorter and shorter. And so we would love to talk to you about whatever the strategies are, because once the clock strikes 1/1/2024, the strategies go down to just like one or two. There's
Yes.
really it's very limited on what you can do. So we would love to hear from you. If you have questions, you can reach out, or you'd like to schedule a session, you can reach out to me at 301-577-6444, or go to our website, which is www.pgs-cpa.com, or you can reach out to Geena
At www.centricbiz, with an S on the end.com. You can reach us on the website. Also, you can reach us at 301-537-5561 to get in touch with someone quickly. We do urge you all to think about these things. As Joy mentioned, we just wanted to pop in and just share some things with you because oftentimes people get into a panic as they realize that the end of the year is so close and the time has gone by so fast. We just got through Thanksgiving. Guess what? Christmas is coming soon, and then the first of the year right around the corner. So we want to make sure that you have these things in the back of your mind. And also think about scheduling with us tax planning calls, every quarter. Let's talk every quarter
Absolutely.
so we're not waiting until the end of the year because there's some things that can take place throughout the year. So we just wanted to share that with you. So thank you so much, Joy. Thank you.
Thank you, Geena, and happy holidays to you all. We'll look forward to
Happy
talking to you soon.
holidays. Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.